Alright, let's continue and do these small ones over here. Sweet, so we have this, the medium ones. I'll probably do a copy again, and then I'll just rename it as small horns. So that is small horns, like so. Probably scale it up, press S to scale, G to move it, like so, R to rotate, S to scale again, R to rotate, and push G. Just gonna snap that to the right, over the top. Then the front, just to somewhere around these lines, and select this guy, press X to delete. Somewhere over here. So these were just as service guidelines, but now that we have these all textured, we'll just use these ones instead and just rotate it upwards. So G to move it out. Select this guy, press X to delete, and lastly shift the R to rotate. So press S to scale. Push G. Select this old one, press X to delete. Small 1, 3, 4, 5. Probably change that naming in a few seconds. Just don't like the shape here. Just rotate it perfectly. And just looking for a right shape. Good. I'm just gonna go to grab the sculpt tool. There's G for the grab brush. I'm just gonna use the grab brush to iterate this, so we get it as close as possible to the previous one. Just changing the shape of it. Just push it inside now. Alt key, select these guys, and just realigning those shapes also. Something around these lines. So they all share the same texture and material. It should update, as you see. They share the same UVs, so it's kind of easy to use that. So any change we make to the texture, it will automatically update to the rest of these ones. So that's why. Look at the wireframe. I'm just gonna smooth that out like that. And yeah, So we're done texturing the other one, the small ones also, and that's that for this lecture. And again, guys, thank you guys for your time, and I'll see you guys in the next one.